So what is going on, Jay? We're going to be doing our $500 account update. I think I see SYM up on the screen. That is a play that we went
Yeah,
over earlier, actually. You had an entry at either break below, of course, and then 4-hour candle close above 37.22 and then 29.62.
well, what I'm seeing so far is that this is basically exactly what I was seeing before. So before we made this post, we were clearly trading higher because I said, yeah, let's wait until this comes all the way down to, at the very least, what is it here, 37.22. And now we've went below it, right? And now I'm just basically monitoring this on a 4-hour time frame candlestick closure basics. So very important to remember, we want to see a 4-hour now that closes above this level during regular trading hours. So that could happen today or that could happen later on this week. Anyways, SYM is looking good here to me. Not in yet, but when it reclaims 37.22, just a friendly reminder that we can then go long and we can put our stop loss below the low that is made here. Also as an alternative option to putting that prefix stop loss. So I believe you gave a prefix stop loss for that, but it's also definitely possible to put that stop loss tighter. So suppose it closes now above 37.22, then we could theoretically set our stop loss at 35.86. And so that would be a tighter stop loss, and that would allow us to go a bit more heavy on the position size to maintain the same risk. But anyways, this is something that I think is very important that we're on that is on our radar now. Just like I said with Robinhood last time, I literally said to you, dude, let's take a look at Robinhood and let's tell people that we told them. And then the SYM here is going to be hopefully the same thing. So this looks like a standard range deviation, and I would expect this thing to trade back to 47.42. Actually, earlier today, I was looking at this again, and I very much just still stick with my previous two trade setups. I think they are looking good. The second one, we might not even get there because this isn't a macro uptrend, and this is very high on my radar personally this week, Symbiotic. Like you know that, Doug, but other people might not yet know that, is that we can put out the play and then it might take a day to enter or it might take 2 or 3 weeks. So we can be patient with it. But this is also the point where you got to be aware of what is the candlestick confirmation, because if you miss that candlestick confirmation, well, and you enter later on the line, you're simply late. You're not following the exact plan. So that's just very important to reiterate. We're also not a copy trading service, but if you want the closest results as possible, then you really got to be on the ball immediately when you get that confirmation. Otherwise, like I said, you're late and it is what it is, right? Of course. Yeah, 34.17 is the preset stop loss. So again, if this just closes above that level on the 4-hour, then that is indeed a preset stop loss. And I also believe that we kind of laid out the position sizing according to that stop loss. But anyways, today we won't really get into that. I just really want to update some charts and some plays. And Symbiotic, I think this is going to be a money maker for us.
Perfect.